Alright, before I can work on my bike, I need to get clear some rims. So, eBay junk videos. I don't know what the hell I bought, it's been too long. This one's white, that one's heavy. Same guy. Oops. Shipping damage. It sounds like a gas tank. I think there's a gas tank in there, so it sounds like. I'm ordering a gas tank. Yeah, let's see what's in here. I got a lot of plastic on here. Oh, that's making my shoulder hurt doing that one. Oh, maybe I should sharpen my knife. Yeah, probably wouldn't hurt. Oh, it's hard on the shoulder. Hey, get back up here. There we go. It's getting better. Oh. Commenters said they didn't like my videos because I make too much pain noise. Moaning and groaning is part of healing. Get over it. You've got lots of drugs. So I'm not doing. Okay. There's a hole in the bottom of the box. You go through the bottom or the top? You gotta go through the bottom. There's a gas tank in there. Oh, I remember this crap. I remember now. Too many late nights bidding on crap. Let's see, how's this thing work? Nick, what is it? Resembles a gas tank. How do you get that out without damaging it? Like that. Ah. Ooh, Kelly's heel didn't like that. Okay, we don't need that box. Oh, that's a road turd tank. That's an old road turd tank. There you go. Oh, that's looks like 80s crap. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh yeah, I was right. It does hurt doing that. Broken thumb. This has been mashed down, I think. It's just a gas leak when paint looks like that. Which means there might be a leak in the tank along this edge. It's usually what that means. Someone's going to spill a lot of gas to make the paint be that soft. Could be a leak someplace. It doesn't appear to be leaking up here, so maybe around this here valve when they're beating the tar on it too many times. Like that. Oh, look at that. Maybe that's what does it. I'm getting the king of the highway on here. There you go. Ooh, that's fancy. Road turd crap. Ah, man, that thumb does not appreciate that. Let's go next hand. Oh, shoulder doesn't appreciate that. Looks like it's got cream in it. Looks like they got cream in there too. Something white. It's like a fuel pump. It's probably a fuel sender. So what year did they put a stupid fuel gauge on a Harley? 94, 92, 90? I don't know. Got that fuel gauge any Harley ever owned. Alright, I'm going to guess this is a late 80s, early 90s, mid 90s. how many years they use that butt ugly ass square boxy road turd shit. That's what this is. Alright, well, it is what it is. Let's see, the fuel injection? No, it's got a petcock on it. Good, what a shocker. Alright, well, whatever. We may need a road turd gas tank for whatever this is. We have one. FLT turd. Alright, see what else I got in the box over there.